Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we're going to be doing a different look in our dip nail series, so stay tuned.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. For the next design, I'm going to do a ombre using sparkle pink and halo pink. And I picked up these Wet n Wild brushes from the Dollar Tree or Dollar General. And I'm going to use these to help me do the ombre. So the ombre looks the best when you have colors that kind of closely blend in together. So I have some new colors on the way that I can't wait to do an ombre with for you all. So you may see it shortly after seeing this. It won't be a part of this series because this series includes all of the fingers that I have at the end of the video. So remember, I have those 2 coats of clear on. Now I am going in with the pink shade, and I'm using this brush to kind of sprinkle it over half of the nail. Then I'm going to use the same or a different brush, depending on you, to go into the purple and sprinkle that over the other half of the nail. You can do however many coats you want to build up the color. I believe I only did 2 coats. And this does kind of take a little time, but you don't really have a lot of time because that base is going to kind of set quickly. So you want to move as fast as possible. I am kind of taking my time. If your base sets, you can always apply another layer of base and do it all over again. Both of these colors had a lot of glitter, sparkle, shimmer, all of that going on. This will definitely look great with some solid colors as well, or with a solid and a glittery color. After it sets, I'm just going to brush away the excess, and we have a nice little ombre. So I did this at minimum twice. And you just want to go right back in with a nice thin layer of base. And then you can go back in the other direction. So if you start with the pink in your first layer, in your second layer you can start with the purple, and this will really help you get a nice blend for your ombre. Make sure that you guys check out the website so that you can grab some dips and liquids for yourself. We do have an awesome kit where you can get 3 dips and 3 liquids. We also just got a new kit that has 4 dips and 4 liquids, so make sure you check that out on our website. Of course, that link is in the description bar. We have the dips, the liquids, we have nail tips, we have buffers, files. We have literally everything that you will need to get a great nail look. So if you need any nail products, definitely check us out. So I'm brushing away the excess. Of course, you want to follow your dip rules. You want to do 2 coats of clear. I like to do 2 coats just to encapsulate, and because I have longer nails, I like that extra strength. So after the 2 coats of clear, I am going to add my activator. Now this is something that I won't show in all of the videos, but you can add your activator and go in with your top coat, making sure that you follow the instructions of your dip system, or you can use the gel top coat of your choice. It's really up to you. So make sure that you don't skip your cuticle oil. That is a very important step. We also carry this on our website. We have it in different scents. This one is green apple, I believe. So these are all of the nails that I did in this series. So make sure that you come back and catch all of the new episodes. And if you missed one, definitely go back and watch that one. I really hope that you guys enjoy this series. This is something that I have been wanting to do for a long time, so I'm so happy that I can finally do it. Remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And I'll see you guys in the next video. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.